I will show how to operate the wall ultrasonic flow meter. This is the first page. The first line is instantaneous flow rate. The second line is net flow. Enter the down key. This is velocity flow. This is positive flow. This is the negative flow. This is the time and flow rate. This is the heat flow and total heat flow. This is the temper. This is the analog output. This is the net flow today. This is the user's information display. This is the pipe outer diameter. You can change the number according to your pipe size. Enter the enter key. This. Okay. Next, this is the pipe wall thickness, pipe inner diameter, pipe material, liner material, fluid type, transductor type, transductor mounting, transductor spacing, default settings, save or load parameters, hold on pole signal, input pipe setup, max flow rate, measurement units, flow rate unit, totalizer units, totalizer multiplier, net totalizer, positive totalizer, negative totalizer, totalizer reset, manual totalizer, language, segmental LCD, damping, low flow out of value, set 0, reset 0, manual 0 point, skill factor, network, system lock, input entry to celebration date, serial port traffic, date logger option, date logger setup, send log date to, analog input, LCD path wise, circle mode selection, circle output, circle check up, circle current output. That's all. Now, if you want to quickly enter some item, you can enter the manual key first. Enter 1 and 2. You can enter the 12 item, pipe wall thickness. If you want to back the first page, enter the manual key, enter 0, enter. Okay, that's all.